Hello, my friends. It's Saturday, November 12th. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, and this is the chart of yesterday, Friday, November 11th, following that huge run-up on Thursday following the inflation report. Nevertheless, we had an up day on Friday, but still in all, the market, the best trade was the early morning gap trade. And for those of you who have seen my videos and who follow my YouTube videos, and thank you very much for that, you know that my favorite trade is the gap trade. So the gap trade was good for 12 points yesterday, 20 if you stayed on, but 12 points for a very good trade. Gaps closed 75% of the time, and this one closed right away within 5 minutes after the open. And that was it. If you made your 12 points or even 20, you should have closed your computer, thanked the trading guards for the profit, and gone home. If you're more adventurous, you might have stayed for the morning. Very choppy morning. Just to give you a frame of reference, there's 10 points between each horizontal line on this chart, so why risk a choppy day? Nevertheless, the prices did trade between Thursday's close at 39.60 and my calculated trading zone resistance of 39.85. Bounced around between there until the afternoon and then traded upward for the rest of the day. But again, the best trade, the most low-risk trade was the early morning gap. Looking at the bigger picture, this is the one-day candle of the S&P for 2022, okay? This is the beginning of 2022, right here where my cursor is, right here at 48.40. And right down here we are where we are now at 39.97, okay? So if we draw a line from the tops of the highs of the year from 2022, we can basically project that and if this holds, we can basically project that we're going to see a high of 40.85 for the high of the year, and maybe the year will close a little lower. But interestingly enough, that will give us a 15% drop in the S&P for the year. But as you know, if you're a long-term investor, you take a long-term view. And in 2021, there was a 30% increase, 30% rise in prices. Now, that's an unrealistic rise in prices, as you know. So 30% rise 2021, 15% drop in 2022, averages out to 7.5% a year, 7.5%, 8%, which is about average, which is normal. So for those of you who don't trade, or rather who invest long-term, and you should invest long-term, the S&P index will have returned an average of 7.5%, 8% for the 2 years, 2021, 2022. So that's my video for today. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade with patience, lots of patience, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.